Welcome to AIN International News. Nationalists have significant gains in Cyprus vote. The far-right ELAM party and a centrist splinter group have made big gains in Cyprus parliamentary election as a sizable chunk of supporters appear to have turned their back on the top three parties amid voters with traditional power centers. Who is Naftali Bennett, Israel's potential prime minister? Naftali Bennett has moved a step closer to replacing Israel's veteran prime minister Benjamin Bennett in a multimillionaire former tech entrepreneur who made a name in politics with right-wing religious nationalist rhetoric. North Korea accuses US of double-dealing over Seoul missiles. North Korea's state media has hit out at the recent termination of an agreement between the United States and South Korea that capped the development of South Korea's ballistic missiles, calling it a sign of Washington's shameful double-dealing. Voters head to polls in Cyprus parliamentary elections. Cyprus voters went to the polls Sunday for parliamentary elections amid shimmering public anger over the golden passports corruption scandal on the Mediterranean island. Saudi-led coalition says it destroys drone launched by Houthis. A Saudi-led militant coalition battling the Houthi rebels in Yemen says it destroyed an explosive-laden drone headed towards the city of Khamis, launched by the Yemeni rebels, according to Saudi state TV Al Ikhbariya. Dozens kidnapped from Islamic school in northern Nigeria. An armed gang abducted dozens of students from an Islamic school in the north-central Nigerian state of Niger on Sunday. Police and state government officials said some 200 children were at the school at the time of Sunday's attack. The Niger state government said on Twitter, adding that an unconfirmed number has been taken. UK PM Johnson marries fiancée in surprise wedding ceremony. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson married his fiancée Carrie Simons in a small ceremony of Westminster Cathedral on Saturday. The event was not announced in advance and media reports said guests were invited at the least minute to the Roman Catholic Cathedral in central London, adding even senior members of Johnson's office were unaware of the wedding plans. Biden to press Putin on human rights at June meeting. United States President Joe Biden has said he planned to press his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin on human rights during a summit in Geneva next month. During a speech to mark the Memorial Day holiday on Sunday, Biden said he could make clear during the meeting that we will not stand by and let him abuse those rights. Texas moved closer to passing restrictive voting legislation. The US state of Texas has moved closer to passing the continuous bill on voting restrictions that United States President Joe Biden earlier denounced as part of an assault on democracy that could disproportionately harm black people and other people of color. Families displaced by DRC volcano Turkey lack of government support. The government of the Democratic Republic of Congo is facing criticism over a growing humanitarian crisis in east of the country as thousands of people who fled Goma after a volcanic eruption later shelter, food and drinking water. Mount erupted on May 22, sending lava streaming down a hillside which left a trail of destruction and killed dozens of people. For more international news, kindly visit our YouTube channel and Facebook page Ask India News. Thank you.